Hello guys, welcome. So today in this tutorial, we're gonna discuss on first react.js project, right? So let's get started. Going to cd documents and ls like this. React.js cd.js and so this is a very common line and the common code. You can see the command like create strict tab. This will create your boilerplate. This starts a boilerplate. And project name is create first project. Cool. Now we can use this. This is the project, okay? This is the entire boilerplate. And here you can see like this is RC and these are by default files. These are by default files, the boilerplate files. So if you want to run this project, so this simple command you need to run npm start. Okay, so getting there. So this you can see the problem with npm, likely addition logging problems. Okay, cool. What we need to do is we're getting this problem. This you can see here. We need to put this code, this line of code, this simple line of code in the file, right? Okay. So how we can fix this problem? Please check it here. Okay. Okay. So okay, just I'm gonna create this file .env file here .env. Okay. So in this .env file, just put this. Just put this like this. Okay. Yes. Save this. Okay. Now you can run the file. Again, code run your command. Will not get the issues. You will find this localhost 3000 will be there in your browser. Okay. So this is a very simple process to create the first React.js app. This is a React.js web app. Okay. So there are a lot of libraries you can use in it. This and for using the library, just use npm. This is a node package manager. Node package manager. Here you can find all these libraries which helps you to use different types of library. Okay, cool. So this is a very simple thing you can see here, and I can make changes here. You can see this is a very simple thing. Just see, this is a app.js file, right? Okay, so you will write like here, welcome and new sigma classes. Save this, and this will automatically actually refresh this page, reload this page, and we'll get the changes without loading by itself. Yeah, this is automatically will be happen. Okay, so when we click on this is actually the link. So this is the link actually. So I'm gonna put my YouTube link here. I'm gonna put this link actually. Okay. So now when you will click on this actually link, then this will go to the my YouTube page. You can see here in the separate tab. You can see this is you getting my YouTube page. Okay, so guys, I think this is the enough for this first lecture, and in the second lecture we'll discuss how we can make the changes and how uh, we can use the libraries from npm and how they are very important for us, how we can use it. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching the video, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.